Hey everyone, Austin here. Welcome back to another exciting episode where we dive deep into the latest tech trends. Today, we're diving into the world of mid-range smartphones that don't compromise on camera quality. These phones promise to deliver stunning photos without the flagship price tag. Two contenders are battling for the title of Best Mid-Range Camera Phone of 2024, the Xiaomi 14T and the Honor 200. Both have been making waves in the tech community. Both phones pack some serious camera tech without breaking the bank. From high-resolution sensors to advanced image processing, they offer features usually found in more expensive models. But which one comes out on top? Let's find out. We'll compare their camera capabilities, user experience, and overall value. We'll break down their specs, test their real-world performance, and see how they fare in various scenarios. From sun-drenched landscapes where color accuracy and detail are crucial, to dimly lit night scenes where low-light performance can make or break a shot. Get ready for a photo finish. By the end of this video, you'll know which mid-range camera phone is worth your money. First up, let's talk numbers. When it comes to smartphone cameras, megapixels are often the first thing people look at. The Xiaomi 14T boasts a whopping 108 megapixel main camera sensor. That's a staggering number, promising incredible detail in every shot. That's a lot of megapixels. But what does it really mean for your photos? The Honor 200 rocks a still impressive 64 megapixel main sensor. While it may not match the Xiaomi 14T in sheer numbers, it holds its own in other areas. The 14T uses a larger sensor, which means it can capture more light. This is crucial for photography, especially in challenging lighting conditions. More light usually means better low-light photos and videos. This can make a huge difference when you're trying to capture those perfect moments at night. The Honor 200 fights back with its image processing software. Advanced algorithms work behind the scenes to enhance your photos. Honor has been killing it in the software department, and the 200 benefits from that. The software tweaks and optimizations can make a significant impact on the final image quality. We're talking vibrant colors and impressive dynamic range. The photos pop with life and detail, making every shot a potential masterpiece. Both phones feature dedicated night modes for those low-light shots. These modes use advanced techniques to brighten up your photos without losing detail. It's going to be interesting to see how they compare in a head-to-head challenge. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the capabilities of these two camera powerhouses. Okay, enough with the specs, let's see some photos. In good lighting, both phones absolutely shine. The 14T captures incredible detail thanks to its high megapixel count. The Honor 200 delivers punchy colors and excellent contrast. Photos just pop off the screen. It's a close call, folks. As the sun starts to set, the 14T's larger sensor starts to show its strength. Low-light images are brighter and have less noise. But don't count out the Honor 200 just yet. Section 4. Portraits, capturing the perfect you. Portraits are where smartphones really need to impress. The 14T and 200 both feature dedicated portrait modes with adjustable background blur. Edge detection is good on both phones and the background blur looks natural. The 14T produces slightly sharper images, but the 200 handles skin tones more realistically. It really comes down to personal preference. Do you prefer super sharp details or more natural-looking skin tones? Section 5. Value champions, flagship features on a budget. Here's the thing. Both of these phones offer incredible value for money. You're getting features that were once reserved for flagship phones at a fraction of the price. The Xiaomi 14T gives you those crazy high megapixels and impressive low-light performance. The Honor 200 counters with fantastic software and vibrant, eye-catching photos. No matter which phone you choose, you're getting a steal. These are both serious contenders for the best mid-range camera phone of 2024 title. Section 6. And the camera king is... So which phone takes the crown? It's a tough call. Both the Xiaomi 14T and the Honor 200 have their unique strengths and features that make them stand out in the crowded market of mid-range smartphones. Both the Xiaomi 14T and Honor 200 are incredible camera phones for the price. They offer impressive specs and capabilities that can rival even some of the higher-end models. If you're a pixel peeper who loves zooming in on details and shooting in low light, the 14T might be your winner. Its advanced sensor and software enhancements make it a formidable choice for night photography and detailed shots. If you prioritize vibrant colors, punchy contrast, and reliable software, the Honor 200 is a fantastic choice. Its image processing algorithms ensure that your photos are always bright, colorful, and ready to share on social media. Ultimately, the best camera phone for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. Whether you value low-light performance or vibrant color reproduction, there's a perfect option for everyone. But one thing's for sure, the mid-range camera phone game has never been stronger. With so many great options available, it's a fantastic time to be a smartphone photography enthusiast. Until next time, keep shooting. Remember, the best camera is the one you have with you, so make the most of it and capture those special moments.